What's going on, everybody? It's Rock from Flip to Thrift, and today my son missed the bus. Alright, so I initially wasn't planning on thrifting today, but my son, he missed the bus because there was a three-car pileup. So guys, please be careful out there on the ice, and proceed with caution when the roads are bad. So, or just don't go anywhere when the roads are really bad. And it is really cold today. I think I rambled on enough. We're gonna get inside of this store. All right, guys, so we got a couple decent items. Check out this. This is a polo look-alike. It actually looks just like a polo, but I'm going to show you what we found so far. All right, so this Brooks Brothers Saxon. This is a Saxon wool. These usually do really well. It doesn't look like they're actually doing that well anymore. It's $5. I think the color today is green, but a couple Harley shirts. They're $3. This one's Deadwood, I think, this one is Deadwood. I think this one is the same thing. This one is Pittsburgh. This one's really cool. So, but they're only $3 and they're in really good shape. But check out this Cinchilla, this Patagonia Cinchilla. It was a new rack as soon as I walked in. This is going to be $7.99. This is probably like a 60 to anywhere from 50 to 80. It's a big size too. It looks like a large, extra large. It's actually a medium, but looks big for a medium. All right, so yeah, the Cinchilla is going to be probably like $60. So anyway, we got another Masters. I actually have a couple Masters listed. I don't know if I just don't have them listed right. This one is an Amen. It's definitely, anytime you see that little USA map with the flag, that is Masters, and that is just like the highest of golf. But yeah, forgot to show you guys that. I figured I would show that to you, but still kind of looking around. What's this one? Officially licensed. I think this is that hat, whatever that hat company, that whatever it's called. They're not worth much. I don't even pick those up anymore. So I looked at all the bags. I don't see anything. This is pretty cool. Like, this bag was made really well. I was hoping that it would be like an old Coach bag, but I don't think it is. It would say Coach on it, but it's not. Looking for them high-end designer bags, guys. All right, guys, so we got a couple items. Now we found a pair of Miss Me jeans. I think that's the only thing that I haven't showed you. I'm in here with like all the suits and stuff where nobody wants to be. These are going to be $8, but it's worth it to pick them up for $8. They're like, have like a fake flat pocket. I'm going to make sure that they're authentic too. I don't think I've ever found a fake pair, so I don't know. Cool is a really good brand, guys. Make sure you're picking it up. This is what the label looks like. It's spelled K-U-H-L. This is going to be $8, but this is probably like a $30 item, something like that. Definitely a good pickup. I'm going to spend a little bit more than what I normally would. And Gymshark. That's the logo. It's going to be kind of hard for me to show you the tag because unfortunately they cover the tags, but Gymshark is a really good brand. It's obviously a gym brand, a workout brand. This is only going to be $5, which is amazing because this has to be at least a $30 item. So I'm not sure. I got to look it up, but we're going to keep moving. All right, guys, so the last thing I think I'm going to pick up is these autoimmune secrets. 2 sets are brand new, and the one set is probably new too. They probably just maybe watched the first couple of them and then, you know, whatever, but they're $3 a piece, so it's $9. The one silver set sold for $25 plus shipping, so I'm definitely gonna pick these up for $9. I think I can maybe get like 50 for the set. All right, guys, so we definitely got a nice little bag of heat. We killed some time. We're gonna go over, I'm guessing we're gonna go over to DTLR and see what they got in there. I gotta find out where I parked. Somewhere over here. I was looking at the Miss Me jeans and I'm not really 100% sure of the authenticity. I'm guessing they're real. I hope they're real anyway, but yeah, we're gonna go over there and check out the shoes and shirts and pants and shorts and hats and gloves, whatever. All right, guys, so Gabriel Brothers it is, because they don't open till 11. So I knew that they opened late because it's really hard for me to kill 2 hours in that Salvation Army. It's not very big, and a lot of their prices are just really high. They're very overpriced in there. Like, they had Funko Pops for $10. Like, some of those Funko Pops are probably not even worth $10. So they had a really big Transformers one, but they wanted $20 for it. Nope. All right, guys, so we definitely killed some time in there. I'm gonna try to show you the two. I'll just show you guys later. It's gonna be too complicated, but I got a couple Cypress Hill t-shirts in there, and I'm getting a little hungry, so I think I'm gonna sit in the car and eat a little sandwich, and then we're gonna go over into DTLR. I got a few things for the boys. We're doing a little bit of Christmas shopping throughout these videos that I've been posting, you know, the past couple videos. So it's just something that needs to be done. So just coming along for the ride, you know, and that's just what it is. And then we have some Lebanon bologna and cheese. I'm gonna probably just eat one piece. Go over into there. I don't know if they have a bathroom in there because I gotta pee. And yeah, I'm gonna drink some more of this because I'm just like, the only thing I didn't like about going in Gabe's, it's not a good experience because nothing is really, they only sort things by brands. I think what happens is a lot of people move things around and they just don't even bother to fix it anymore. There's just no organization when it comes to sizing, so it's impossible to find your size. It's just like a needle in a haystack, and who wants to do that when they're shopping? It just ruins the whole shopping experience. Certain things in there are probably easier to find, but not jeans. It was just impossible to find. And I was trying to find, I did buy 2 pairs of jeans yesterday. 1 pair were too tight. Like, everything is skinny now, and I want slim. I don't want super baggy. I think that when you get older, you look stupid in baggy clothing, and you just have to make your clothes fit. They just have to fit right. Because, you know, that's just my opinion. It doesn't matter. You can wear whatever you want until you pass away. But which hopefully doesn't happen anytime soon. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get a little bite to eat. We're gonna get a little bit of caffeine in us, and we're gonna go in and see if they got any shoes. All right, guys, so we just left there. I got a couple shirts for the boys. They're into like the band tees. There was Grateful Dead. I was trying to do the 3 for $20, so I was trying to get a good deal, but you know, I had to jump on the Dub Zeros anytime I see a deal. And guys, when you work really, really hard and you take care of your family and you pay all the bills or half the bills or whatever you do, and you just put a lot of effort into what you do every day, you have to reward yourself, guys. You can't go constantly with just working and grinding and not rewarding yourself for doing such a good job. You have to reward yourself. You have to be confident. Those are things that, I'm not saying everybody has to do that. If you want to stack your paper and do that, I do that too, but I also like to have nice shoes and have nice clothes, and my kids have nice clothes because they're spoiled rotten. But anyway, without any further ado, we got the Dub Zeros. I really like these. They are one of my favorite pair. I've had them before, and I think I gave them to my boys. I think I just wore the crap out of them. And I believe, actually, when I first started selling on Poshmark, what they do is when you reach a certain height, you get a gift card. And I got a $100 gift card for like hitting so many sales or something like that. This was a couple years ago, and that's what I bought. I bought the Dub Zeros, and they were used like new. And they were $100. They were exactly what I wanted to spend, and I really like them. They're very comfortable. I got them in a size 11. I always have to buy like a half a size bigger because I have wide feet. And 10 and a halves would be too tight to be killing my feet. So like I said, guys, reward yourself once in a while. I think what we're going to do now is I would like to go to the Goodwill out here, but what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to just head home and hit the Goodwill in Lemoyne. So that way I only got to hit one more store and then I could just make a straight run and go right home. Because it is getting late. It is almost 1 o'clock and I still have about 15 items to ship. It should only take me about an hour, so I want to hurry up and kind of get home because the post office closes at 4:30. All right, guys, so we're at the Goodwill in Lemoyne. We're going to go in and see if we can find some good stuff as usual. And we're going to try to make it quick because I definitely have some things to do today and it's getting later and later. All right, guys, there's a lot of blazers in here. There's, like, this is a really cool J. Crew. It's a linen cotton. Then there's another one. I think this one is just like cotton and it has the elbow patches. They're not on sale, so they're going to be out of, well, they're $7.50, but the one has like some holes in it. There's some Hugo Boss in here, but I'm going to pass on that. But I am definitely going to, I'm going to probably pick this Hugo Boss up. This one is a little bit, plus it's half off of $7.50, so I can't lose. I'm going to try to find the, or this is a Zegna, my bad. This is a, Hermenegildo Zegna. I'm going to see if I can find the pants to it. Then I'll have the whole suit. But these are going to be $10, but this is a brand called Smart Wool. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. There's a blue one. They're $10 a piece, but they're probably worth about $40. So, you got to catch them sleeping, guys, because the prices in here are ridiculous, but there is a way around it. There are items that you can find. All right, guys, so the total was $43. I got the 2 Smart Wool shirts, the Zegna jacket, and the 0 Grand Cole Haans, which pretty much not too bad. I did spend up a little bit. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, the only reason why I got the 0 Grands, someone was saying that they're not selling that well anymore. The sell-through rate for me looked really, really good. So, and they're in perfect condition. They're a little creased from being worn, but it looks like they were only worn a few times. Like, they're just in very good condition. Like, even the sides are just, I don't even have to clean them, guys. Like, if I clean the bottoms, they'll basically look brand new. So if I can get the bottoms of them clean, I may just do that and they'll look brand new. And I should get at least $60 for them. So they were, I think they were $12. They weren't that much. The Smart Wool sweaters were like $7. Those are going to sell for at least $30. So I'm definitely going to triple to quadruple my money on those 2 items. And then the Zegna jacket, the Zegna Soft, I'm going to get anywhere from $75 to $100 for that. And I paid, it was half off of $7.50. It was under $8. So I paid less than $4 for that jacket. And it's going to sell for $75 or more. Some of the Zegna jackets do very well. The Hermenegildo Zegna, it's like an Italian brand. It is an Italian brand. It's very expensive. There was other items in there. Just a lot of things are just priced up, guys. They really are. But all in all, not a bad haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.